Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. A war of words is brewing between the now displaced German track manufacturers BSW Regupol, who constructed the National Stadium track, and the government, who signed with another track manufacturer, Reggaeton, to resurface the track ahead of the ISA Boys and Girls Championships set for March 25 to 29. Kian Rena has the latest.
With the resurfacing work on the National Stadium track to be done by Reggaeton now set to begin on the weekend, the war of words between them and the displaced BSW Regupol is intensifying in the background as the latter fight to defend their reputation. Caught in the middle is the Sports Ministry, which has been driving the process to relay the track within 30 days. Allegations were purportedly made about the state of the track by Grand Slam Track that the recently repaired patches do not have the required resilience, energy return, and coefficients of friction. Efforts by this reporter to determine whether the Ministry of Sports acted upon receiving an independent report on the track were not fruitful up to sports time, as calls and messages with questions to Minister Olivia Grange were not answered. TVJ's own checks on the World Athletics Certification System showed that the track in its current state remains certified at Level 1 up to July 2026. The current track was installed in January 2021. It appears that the government acted upon Grand Slam's concerns and opted to sign a fresh contract with one of Regupol's rivals, Reggaeton, after examining bids from both entities. TVJ Sports understands that Regupol then requisitioned an independent test by a World Athletics certified laboratory, Trackmasters International, out of Thailand. In short, TVJ Sports understands that the report, which was submitted to Regupol over the weekend, found that the national track is compliant in all testing parameters laid down by World Athletics for certification. It's understood that the report has since been shared with ministry officials and others. Or impeccable sources who asked not to be named indicated that the report concluded that while the track does have significant wear caused by vehicles being driven on the track and things being pushed around the track, that the track does still comply with World Athletics rules and should still be okay until the current certification expires in 2026. In the meantime, verbal and written requests to Permanent Secretary Dinoir Bernard and Minister Grange for copies of the scope of works slated to be carried out by Reggaeton, as well as the work schedule, were not responded to up to sports time on Tuesday. Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.